We're here with this 2005 Toyota Corolla, and the issue we're having is we have lost our shifter. If you can see here, it is very loose and it does not shift. We're stuck in park at the moment because I put it manually in park. But normally when this happens, you get stuck in drive or reverse or wherever it feels like it wants to get stuck at that time. So basically what happens is just a little bushing that breaks in the shifter cable. And here is that bushing right here. Here is the part number. Now these are updated parts. As you notice, this is a black one. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you're having this issue. And if you get a purple one, return it because they have been updated because they were having a lot of issues with that part. So this is from Bushing Fix. They got some good stuff, but they were having issues with some of the replacement bushings. I don't know what the chemistry was, but they were breaking apart relatively quick. So let's go ahead and start tearing this up. What we have to do is get in here. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this out right here. Okay. And the bushing should be right here. But as you can see, we got this in the way. So let me get a screwdriver. I'm gonna remove this right here. What that is. So I must have pressed the wrong button or something on my Insta360 because I lost half of my footage. But either way, what I'm doing here is I'm removing two 10mm screws that are underneath the center console to be able to get the center console out of the way. I had to remove some cans and bottles with some questionable fluids inside. It might have just been tea or apple juice or something, I don't know, but it looked kind of weird to me. So either way, I had to wash my hands as soon as I finished though. Talking about buttons, how about you press that like and subscribe and hit the bell notifications as well. We should be able to move. Okay. Right here. I think this is easier on the passenger side, so let's move. Okay, so here we have the bushing. Sometimes you can find the little pieces in here somewhere. There we go. Pieces of bushing broken in there. Okay. And we're gonna get the new bushing. We're just gonna force that in there. See, these new ones are a little harder, so they're not gonna go in That's easy. There is an installation tool here. We may or may not need it. Okay, so let's try this again. There we go. That's all there is to it. We're gonna put this back in here. Wow, it's been a little harder to get in. They've definitely updated this, all right. They have definitely updated this part. There you go. And now you can feel we have each step. Yeah, I don't foresee that ever coming out again. Ever. Okay, so then we just put this back in there. Put our 10mm back in. Now we put all of our bottles and questionable fluids back in there. I really hope that's like apple juice or something. Because it looks like something else. I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this. Yuck. Put our screws back in place. Okay. Put everything back in place. And there we have it. It is complete. We just make sure that we have reverse, neutral, drive. Okay, we are done. Turn it off. Well, that's it. Now you can go about your business now. Well, I thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like and subscribe, and we'll hopefully catch you in the next video. Ciao for now.